Afọ bụ Maazị Dozie Kelechukwu. Onweghị onyonyo nwetalu nke nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Tupac Shakur nọ n'ime mgbe ọ dị afọ 17 ọ na-akọwa maka edukeshọn nke ndị Igbo na-akpọ akwụkwọ. So ọ na-akọwa ndị ụfọdụ ekwesịrị na-eme n'ụlọ akwụkwọ anaghị eme na ya mụtaziri nke ya n'ọgbe mana ekwesịrị na-eme n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. So ọ ga-aka mma niile na-ezi ihe onyonyo aka ihe otu ihe ọ na-ekwu atụsala m ya.
Oh, I hope I don't get in trouble, but school is, I think that we got so caught up in school being a tradition that we stopped using it as a learning tool, which it should be. Like, up to this day, I mean, school should be, I think there should be a different curriculum in each and every, like, neighborhood, you know? Because I'm going to Tamalpais High, and I'm learning about the basics, but they're not basic for me, you know? And it's like, they're not, to get us ready for today's world, that's not helping. It's just what they took, so it's what we're gonna take, you know? And that's why the streets have taught me. And, but school is really important, reading, writing, arithmetic. But I think after you learn reading, writing, and arithmetic, that's it. But what they tend to do is teach you reading, writing, and arithmetic, then teach you reading and writing and arithmetic again, then again, just making it harder and harder, just to keep you busy. And that's where I think they messed up. There should be a class on drugs. There should be a class on sex education, a real sex education class, not just pictures and diaphragms and unlogical terms and things like that. There should be a drug class. There should be sex education. There should be a class on scams. There should be a class on religious cults. There should be a class on police brutality. There should be a class on apartheid. There should be a class on racism in America. There should be a class on why people are hungry, but they're not. Their class is on gym, you know, physical education. Let's learn volleyball because one day we're going to, you know, it's their class is like algebra, where I've yet to go to the store and said, can I have X, Y plus 2 and give me my Y change back? Thank you. You know, I think you could let me out. I've lived alone by myself, and the things that helped me were the things that I learned from my mother and from the streets. And reading has helped me. I mean, school has taught me reading, which is I love reading, writing, and arithmetic. That's it. Like foreign languages, I think they're important, but I don't think it should be required because actually they should be teaching you English and then teaching you how to understand.
I'm an enemy in there. It's all sex education, like police brutality, like scams. Because so many things are just in them, even up to date. What government authority and no down. Because abroad their business. Because most of them now commit that atrocity. That's why they don't care about these things. And if you are when I didn't like at age of 17, that boy will phenomenon. See, that boy my year from birth.